Hello everyone, I'm Chef Ken. This is Ken in the Kitchen, and today I have a special video for you. This is the biggest taco collab on YouTube. 25 other content creators and myself are doing our favorite taco recipes. So here's mine. After you get all the ingredients into the crock pot, go ahead and put the lid on and lock it down and set it to low heat for 4 to 6 hours. And now that the chicken has been cooked, we're going to go ahead and get it out of the crock pot and get it over to our stand mixer, because this is the best method I've ever found to shred chicken. It's literally just takes a few seconds. You just put the chicken in, your paddle attachment on, you lock down the top and you put it at a medium speed, and away it goes, and it will just shred the chicken for you. I'm going to pick up the camera and get a little bit closer so you can take a look on the inside there. That looks really good. Once your chicken is shredded, go ahead and put it back in the crock pot. We want it to soak up as much flavor that's in that crock pot as possible. Give it a good stir, then put your lid back on, and we're going to cook it again on medium or low heat for 1 hour. Okay, so go ahead and get a couple of flour tortillas, put them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds to get them nice and soft. And we're going to do this because my favorite taco is a double-decker taco. I'm going to use my homemade refried beans and my homemade taco shells that I deep fried specifically for this video using a pretty cool tool coming up in another video. And no video about tacos would be complete without a taco truck taco holder. This thing is so cute. And I tell you what, this made building these tacos a lot easier. This is the chicken filling that we made in the slow cooker. That's going to go in first, and I typically fill a taco about halfway with the filling because I like to add a lot of stuff on top of it. And the first kind of cheese we're going to put on here is the queso fresco cheese. And as you can see, it's pretty crumbly. It has a texture of blue cheese, but it kind of tastes like Monterey Jack. And this is Oaxaca cheese. This stuff shreds really well. I used the cheese grater for that, and it melts really good. Think of like mozzarella. If you've never had Oaxaca cheese, it's really tasty. And I did a little chiffon cut on some romaine lettuce to make it look fancy. This is a Mexican 4-cheese blend that was pre-shredded. Typically I don't use pre-shredded cheese, but I actually like the way this stuff tastes, so I thought it would be fitting for this video. And this is Colby Jack. I did buy this as a block and shredded it myself. Okay, and then here is some sour cream. I actually have some Mexican sour cream in the squeeze bottle here. Probably should have added a little more, but it's really good stuff. And this is my secret weapon right here. This is my roasted garlic chipotle aioli. I'll definitely have to do another video for this one. And then we're going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit more of the queso fresco cheese. And the last thing that I'm going to add on here is some lime zest. Lime zest smells great, it gives a good fresh feeling, and it tastes great. It's the best way to top off these tacos. Okay, so that's how you build my favorite taco. Now, I'm going to take a bite because I've been waiting for this. Oh my God. You gotta try this. Man, that was amazing. So make sure you guys click on the hashtag in the description below. It's Content Creators Collab 001. And you'll get to see the other 25 people and how creative they were and all their favorite recipes for their tacos. See you guys on the next one.